So I'm here with my sister Lauren again. So Lauren today is going to be making taquitos. Buffalo chicken taquitos.
Yeah.
So as we have the ingredients, so what ingredients are going to be used to make the taquitos?
Yeah, so first you need chicken. You usually use chicken breast. Had to get some tenderloins. It's slim pickings at the grocery store these days. You need 8 ounces of low-fat cream cheese. You'll need some buffalo sauce. Once you make the buffalo chicken dip with those ingredients, then you need some flour tortillas.
Okay.
You can put that in. And of course, some shredded cheddar cheese that you can put in the taquitos. And then optional is, some salsa to dip it in or put on top. That's about it. The chicken is cooking, and it's going to be done soon. I'm going to mix together the cream cheese and the buffalo sauce. The whole packet goes in there. And with this, we want 1/8 of a cup. I'll add a little more in because who doesn't like buffalo sauce? And then you gotta mix these together. And then once the chicken's done, we will shred the chicken and add that to this.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we have combined now the shredded chicken with the cream cheese and the buffalo sauce. And so what we need to do now is take a good, good heaping of the mix, put it in the middle of the tortilla shell, the best you can. And then you want to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of that. And then you want to just kind of wrap this up like this, the best you can. It's a little tricky. And then you just kind of put it down on the cookie sheet, which is greased ahead of time. And you do this for about 10 or 12 tortilla shells, depending on how many, you can kind of fit in, and depending on the size of the tortilla shell. So we have the taquitos ready to go in the oven. And so we will put these in for about 17 minutes until all the cheese is melted and the chicken is cooked and everything inside. And then they'll be ready to eat. Alright, so after about 15 minutes or so, the taquitos are cooked and ready to go.